Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make good anime pictures with Midjourney. I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first of all we need to go to our internet and then we need to search here for anime prompts. Alright, right here we have the website Prompt Hero and here is a nice subject with anime prompts. Now if you can see you will have loads of images here that you can use. But right now we want to try, let's see, this one right here and click on that. And there's a thing that I need to tell you, always read the prompts, because when some prompts are a little bit sexual, Midjourney won't allow you to use that prompt. So this is a great prompt, and what we need to do now is click here on copy. Then we go to Discord and now we do /imagine Ctrl+V, and if we now do enter, he will create a very good anime picture for us. I will show you exactly in a few seconds how it will look like. Alright, here it is. Look at this, guys. We have 4 pictures that looks insane, to be honest. This is great to see and this is what we like. But you need to now play with all the other stuff because you have so many prompts here. So choose a character that you like and then create a nice picture in Midjourney with that style. Now let's say I like the 4th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We click on upscale 4. And right now, if you can see, we have a nice anime picture created with a strong and good prompt. So this is exactly how you can do this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.